Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to get rid of gas, pains, and bloating. The clinical signs of aerophagia are characteristic. The patient reports belching, or drafts. Often after eating, belching relieves distension of the stomach. Otherwise, discomfort or even pain persists due to the air present in the stomach, aerogastria. Sometimes, the patient causes voluntary belching, which if they relieve him momentarily, they only maintain aerophagia. The volume of exhaust air was less than the volume of air initially swallowed to trigger belching. Aerocoly, air travels through the intestine from the pylorus. The intestine is bloated, painful. Cumin is a digestive spice that helps get rid of bloating. For that, you need 14 teaspoons of cumin seeds, then boil the cumin seeds in a saucepan of hot water. Let steep for 15 minutes. Filter. Finally, drink the juice obtained after meals. Gas can be painful, but it typically isn't dangerous. If gas, pain or bloating are issues for you, look to your diet and lifestyle to see what changes you can make. In many cases, lifestyle and diet modification may be able to eliminate the issue completely. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies, and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.